Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to clear YouTube watch history on any device. That's super easy, so let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is open the YouTube app on your phone. From here, click on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. And you'll see the history here. Now you just need to click View All at the side of the history. And notice the three dots on the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on that. And there will be an option to clear all watch history. Tap on that. And to confirm, you just need to click Clear Watch History, and this will delete your history on all devices. Click on that. And that's it. That's how you clear YouTube watch history. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.